Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? I know that you are missing your school like me. Students, again, I welcome you in DPS online class and I pray to Allah Almighty that very soon we will come back our school. Students, before going to start my lesson, I want to tell that my name is Teacher Iram Noreen and my subject is GK and I teach class 3. Girls, today objectives of the lessons are: at the end of the lessons you will be able to define matter, atom, molecule, mass and volume. You will describe the states of matter and explain uses of microscope. Girls, here is one picture for you people. What is this? Yes, this is classroom. And what are you watching in the picture? Table, chair, bags, map on the wall, books, whiteboard, clock, windows, students and a teacher in a classroom. Students, are you observing that all these student, you are watching that all these things are in the classroom take up some space. जितनी भी चीज़ें क्लासरूम में हैं उन्होंने अपने सराउंड में कुछ जगह घेरी हुई है. तो all these things that take up space and all these things you are watching in the classroom, all these things are called matter. What are called? Matter. क्लासरूम में आपको जितनी भी चीज़ें नज़र आ रही हैं वो सब क्या हैं? Matter. Yes. So can you guess our today's topic? Yes, our today's topic is matter and its properties. Let's define matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. It's mean that हर वो चीज़ जो जगह घेरेगी वो क्या कहलाएगी? Matter. That's mean that everything you can see is matter. Everything you see in your school, in your home, in your bedroom, in your classroom, in your drawing room, in your lounge, all these things that take up space are called matter. What are called? Matter. Let's see. Matter appears in 3 forms. How many forms? 3 forms. Solid, liquid and gas. How many forms? 3 forms. Solid, liquid and gas. And I'll show you their examples. Let's see. There is one chair, candle and a fan. These 3 things take up some space in your bedroom or in your classroom. So all these things are called solid. What are called? Solid. They have a specific and special shape. So these things are called solid. Let's another. You are watching some juices in a glass, green tea in a cup and tea in a cup. The material present in glass or cup, they take up space in cup or glass and they take the shape of the cup and glass. So these things just take the shape of container or any cup or any glass. So these things are called liquid. These are called liquid. So liquid are the material that take up some space in another container and they have no shape. They have no shape. These things are called liquid. Let's see another form. Yes. What are you watching in the picture? Smoke and gas cylinder and some balloons. You can see that smoke take up some space in environment and gas present in cylinder takes some space in a cylinder and the air present in the balloon takes a space in the balloons. So all these things present in the balloons and in the gas cylinder and in the environment, this is gas and this is also called a third form of matter, that is called gas form. That is called gas form. You are watching that they have no specific shape. There is no specific shape of the smoke and there is no specific shape of the air in the balloon and air in the gas cylinder. So these things which have no shape and this is called gas. So these are 3 forms of matter. To understand the forms of matter, we have to discuss about a small particles that is called atom. Students, beta, every matter is composed of very small particles. These small particles is called atom. So the smallest particle of a matter is called atom. Every matter is composed of very small particles. और इतने small particles हैं कि इनको हम अपनी आँख से नहीं देख सकते. Let's see कि जब हम पाउडर देखते हैं, किसी भी चीज़ का पाउडर हम बना लें या टैल्कम पाउडर जो हम लगाते हैं, उसको अगर हम हैंड के ऊपर रब करें, आप देखेंगे इसके बहुत स्मॉल पीस हो जाते हैं. कुछ पीस इतने स्मॉल हो जाते हैं कि वो हमें नज़र भी नहीं आते. तो जो पीस हमें नज़र नहीं आता मैटर का, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एटम. और उसको देखने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज़ अ माइक्रोस्कोप. तो माइक्रोस्कोप जो है वो आई शो यू अ माइक्रोस्कोप. लेट्स सी, देयर इज़ अ माइक्रोस्कोप. इट इज़ अ डिवाइस दैट इज़ यूज टू सी वेरी स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जितनी भी स्मॉल चीज़ें हैं उनको देखने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? माइक्रोस्कोप. वेरी स्मॉल parts of the plants and very small parts of the human body and many other small things which we cannot see with our eyes, we can see with the help of microscope. So it's a use of microscope that we can see very small things, very small objects with the help of microscope. Let's see another term, that is molecule. Girls and boys, students, when two or more atoms combine to each other, they form molecule. It's mean that जब एक एटम से ज़्यादा एटम आपस में कंबाइन करेंगे और एक बड़ी चीज़ बनाएंगे, that is called molecule. Molecule भी स्मॉल पार्टिकल है, उसको देखने के लिए भी हमें माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए, but some molecules are very big, we can see them. So what's the definition of molecules? Molecules are groups of two or more atoms joined together. So this is a shape of molecules. There are many molecules, blue and green atoms combined to form a small molecule shape. To find out which form or state of matter an object fits in, we have to look at its properties. These properties are shape, mass and volume. We have to know about solid, liquid and gas. Then we have to learn about their shape, their mass and the volume. These are three properties of matter. Let's discuss property of matters. First of all, shape. There is a dice in the picture and milk and juice in the picture and smoke. Smoke, there is a gas that is called carbon dioxide, which plant use for breathing. So you can see that dice have a specific shape. It's have a special shape, or you can hold them in the hands. Or there is a milk and juice. They have no specific shape, and इसको हम किसी भी बर्तन में डाल लेंगे, ये उसी की shape ले लेगा. It's take the shape of any container, any glass, any cup or any flask. But there is a third picture. There is a smoke also having no shape. So we have to discuss the property of a matter. The first thing is the shape. Solid having a specific shape, but liquid and gas have no specific shape. Let's see another property, that is mass. Then what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter an object has. किसी भी बॉडी में मैटर की जितनी मिकदार होगी, that is called mass. It also concerned with solid, liquid and gas. हम जब सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस की प्रॉपर्टी को डिस्कस करेंगे इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, देन वी हैव टू डिस्कस द मैस ऑल्सो. सो मैस, व्हाट इज़ द मैस? क्वांटिटी ऑफ अ मैटर. किसी भी बॉडी में मैटर की जितनी मिकदार होगी, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मैस. इन दिस पिक्चर यू आर वॉचिंग दैट इन दिस टू कंटेनर देयर इज़ अ सम नेल्स, एंड इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी द नेल्स. ये कितनी क्वांटिटी है नेल्स की? दिस क्वांटिटी इज़ कॉल्ड इट्स मैस. और यहाँ पे कितनी क्वांटिटीज़ है एयर बग की? वो क्या होंगे हमारे पास? मैस. These two things are related with each other. The quantity of a matter in both container is called mass. Let's see that. mass को हम measure कैसे करते हैं? हम किसी चीज़ को जब हमने measure करना है, mass को measure करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? हम बैलेंस यूज़ करेंगे, हम तराजू यूज़ कर लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास बैलेंस है, हम वो यूज़ करेंगे। आप देख सकते हैं पिक्चर में एक साइड पे 2 है हमारे पास बॉल्स और एक साइड पे ज़्यादा बॉल्स हैं, तो हम इनका वज़न कर सकते हैं। तो इनका जो वज़न करेंगे वही इनका मैस होगा। तो इसको हम ग्राम और किलोग्राम में आगे मेजर करते हैं। सो मैस हमारे पास क्या है? मैस इज़ अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर एन ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़। क्लियर? Let's see another property that is called volume. Volume is the amount of space the matter takes up. अब कोई भी मैटर जब जितनी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है अपने इर्द गिर्द, उस स्पेस में उसकी विड्थ, लेंथ और हाइट को जब हम काउंट करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम। Anything having width, length and height, when we combine all these width, length and height, it becomes volume. So in solid, liquid and gas, we have to check the volume of the matter. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हमारे पास ये डाइस हैं और हमारे पास कुछ बुक्स हैं, उन्होंने जितनी भी उनकी स्पेस ली हुई है प्लस उनकी लेंथ और प्लस उनकी विड्थ जो है, वो हमारे पास क्या होगा? उस चीज़ का वॉल्यूम होगा। जस्ट लाइक दिस वी कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड। गैस का वॉल्यूम हम लेंगे जब हम उसे किसी कंटेनर में डालेंगे, और जस्ट लाइक दिस लिक्विड का वॉल्यूम लेंगे जब हम उसको किसी बर्तन में डालेंगे। It's clear, students? In this chapter we have learned about only the different terminologies, just like the mass, matter, atom, molecules and volume. And इसमें just हमारा introduction था जो हमने पढ़ा. Let's see the assessment about it. I want to know that कि आपने जो सुना है उसमें से आपको कितना जो है वो आपको याद रहा है. Let's see. First of all, there is one MCQ. Dash is smallest particle of a matter. Options are atom, molecule or compound. जी, smallest particle of a matter कौन है? Atom, molecule or compound? Yes, the correct answer is atom. Let's see another. Everything you can see is dash. Everything you can see is dash. हम जो भी चीज़ देखते हैं वो क्या है? Nice है, small है या matter है? Yes, the answer is matter. डैश इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर एन ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़. जी, मैटर की मिकदार किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या कहलाएगी? मैस, वॉल्यूम और स्पेस. यस, द आंसर इज मैस. देयर आर डैश स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, 1, 2 और 3. हाउ मैनी स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर आर देयर? यस, 3 स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर आर देयर. इट्स योर स्मॉल असेसमेंट. लेट्स सी योर होमवर्क. Students, you have to define the atom and you have to define the molecule and the volume. You will find out their answer from internet. You can find out their answer from your book or any other material, and you can find out your answer in a video lesson, and you will write the answer of these questions on your copies. Okay, dear student, take care of yourself. We will meet you in another lesson inshallah very soon. Okay girls, thank you. Allah Hafiz.